Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, today the question number 31. Okay, so height of cone is 3 times of half of diameter of base. Half of diameter means we'll think is what, radius, na? Half of diameter you can think like a radius. Then radius is height of a cone. Height of a cone is 3 times of radius. 3 times of radius means height is equal to what we can write, 3r. And if the volume of the cone is 2197 pi, volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 2197 pi. Both side pi will be cancelled. We'll substitute height and radius. 1 by 3 r square into height. Height value what will substitute? 3r. 3r will be substitute and 2197. Here is 3 will be cancelled. R square into r equal to r cube. R cube is equal to 2197, then r is equal to what is answer? 13. R cube is equal to 219, it is a 13 cube answer. Okay, 13 cube answer means radius of the cone is 13 centimeter, option E. Remember the formula, volume of cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. The ratio of the speed of a car A to that of car B is 6:5. First of all, we will calculate car B speed. If car B covers 162 kilometers in 3.6 hours. This is the speed of car B. 162 by 3.6 will write 1620 by 36. Both are cancelled with 9 table. 9 4s are 9. How many times? 9 1s are and 9 8s are. 180 by 4 equal to how many kilometer per hour? 45 kilometer per hour. Then 5 parts equal to 45 kilometer per hour. Then 6 parts equal to how many kilometer per hour? 5 to 45, 9 times, 9 6 is exactly, yeah, 54 kilometer per hour. 54 kilometer per hour, we need to cover how many kilometers? 378 kilometers, then 54 kilometer per hour. How many hours will we take? So, how many hours will we take? 7 hours. First of all, calculate the speed of the car B, and again we can calculate car A time to cover 378 kilometers, option E. Ratio of weight of B is 7 parts and ratio of B's weight is 4 parts. 7 and 4. 7 4s is how much? 28 na? They are asking B's weight. Then multiples of 28 is answer. Multiple of 28 means which is option is there? 56. Okay. This is a 7 parts. This is a 4 parts. If you are calculating ratio also, multiply here. 4 6 are 24. This is A. 4 7 are 28. It is B. And 7 will be multiplied here. 7 4s are 28 and 7 3s are 21. This is C. 24, 28, 21. Then multiple of 28 means is option D. Then 56 kg is the answer. A cricketer completed 8 innings. 8 innings in average of 31 runs. Now how many runs must he next inning? Next innings means it's a 9 innings. 9 innings is average is how much? 34. 9 innings average is 34, 8 innings average is 31. 9 matches average is 34, 8 matches average is 31. 9 matches average from that, so 8 matches average will be removed, you will get 1 match, last match score. Okay, so 9 into 34, 8 into 31 value is 243, 9 into 34, 9 30 is a 270, 9 4 is a 36. It is a value is how much? 316. Then 316 or what? Yes, 9 3 is a 270 and 9 4 is a 36. 270 2. No, this is, yeah, this is 8, sorry. Yeah, 248 and 9 3 is a 270, 9 4 is a 36. What is the value? 316. Yeah, exactly. 316 and 248. Result is how much? 58. Then option A. Present age of Megha and Ritu are in the ratio 6:5, and 5 years ago the respective ratio of their ages is 7:9. Okay, 5 years ago means the ratio will be decrease, okay, not increase. Then what we have to do? 7 to 9, how many parts gap? 2 parts gap. The 2 will be multiplied here. This first ratio 6:7 will be multiplied to, it is become what is the ratio? 12:14. This is the present. Then 5 years back the ratio is what is the ratio? 7:9. Then how many parts gap? 5 parts. 5 parts equal to 5 years. Okay, so yeah, 5 parts is equal to 5 years. Then what will be the age of Ritu after 8 years? The Ritu means second person. Second, 14 parts equal to 14 years. After the 8 years means we should add it. 14 plus 8 equal to how many years? 22 years. Option C. First ratio should be multiplied with 2. Find the profit percentage when the cost price of an item is 3/5 of its marked price. CP and MP and SP. CP is 3 rupees. and MP is 5 rupees. And giving how much percentage discount? 10%. In 5 rupees, 10% discount means it is how much rupees? 4.5. A product CP is 3 rupees sold out for 4.5 rupees means how much rupees profit? 1.5 rupees profit. 1.5 rupees comparing to 3 rupees, we need percentage multiply with 100. In 3 rupees, 1.5 rupees equal to how much percentage? 50% profit. A sum of money placed at compound interest doubles itself in 2 years. Doubles 2 to the power of 1. In how many years it will be become 8 times? Multiply in 2 multiples. 2 multiples means 8 times you can write how many? 2 to the power of 3. Try to make it bases are equal. That is a simple point. 1 part equal to 4 years, 3 part equal to how many years? 12 years. Option B. PQR enter into a partnership invested their amounts for time period in the 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. The ratio of investment is 5 parts, 10 parts, 3 parts. First person invested 5 rupees, 10 months. That means his investment became a 10 parts. Second person invested 10 rupees for 3 months. His investment became a 30. Then third person invested 3 rupees for 5 months. His investment became a 15. Okay, directly multiply. Investment to time apply, you will get profit. 10, 30, 15. Then if P share out of profit was 14,400. P share means this is a P, this is Q, this is R. 10 parts equal to 14,400 rupees. Then what was the total profit? What was the total profit means total profit is equal to how many parts? P have a 10 parts, Q have a 30 parts and R have a 15 parts. Total is how many parts? 55 parts. Value is what? 55 means nothing but 11 multiples. 55 is content what? 5 into 11. 11 multiples means only one option. That is a 79,200. Otherwise 10 parts equal to 14,400. 1 part equal to 1,440. Then 55 parts equal to how much? 1,440 multiplied to 55. You will get 79,200 here. Then option 4 men complete a piece of work in 2 days. 4 women can complete the same piece of work in 8 days. Whereas 5 children complete the same piece of work in 4 days. 4 men complete a work in 2 days. 8 men complete a work in 1 day. 4 men complete a work in 2 days. 8 men complete a work in 1 day. Next, 4 women complete a work in 4 days. 16 women complete a work in 1 day. 16 women complete a work in 1 day. Next, 5 children complete a work in 4 days. 5 children complete a work in 4 days. 20 children complete a work in 1 day. Am I right? 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8. These all are completing a work in how many days? 1 day. 8 women complete a work in 1 day. 16 women complete a work in 1 day. 20 children complete a work in how many days? 1 day. This is a 1 day work only. And we have a one method to identify the answer. R and combination. R and combination is there. How do you write? Days by, how do you write? M2 and W2 by C1, C2 by M1 and W1 by C1. R and method purpose we can use this method. Then 1 day work we are assigning to 2 men's and 4 women and 10 children. This is already done by 8 men, 16 women, 20 children. We should simplify this, we will get an answer. Okay, cancel the measurements here. So which are going to cancel? 2 1s are 2, how many times? 4s are 4 1s are 4 4s are 0 0 will cancel. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. 1 by 1 equal to total how many days? In how many different ways can a letter of the word charges be arranged in such a way that vowels always come together? So vowels will be separate, A comma E. Remaining how many letters are there? C, H, R, G, S. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters means 6 factorial, A key, comma E. For that you can write 2 factorial. 6 factorial answer 720 into 2. 720 into 4 answer is what? 1440. There is a multiplication of overall simplification is there 41 to 45. 54 into 2.5. Nothing but 27 into 5. 2.5 make it double and 54 make it half. 27 5s are 5 7s are 35, 5 20s are 100. It is equal to 135 minus 25. It is equal to x. 135 minus 25 answer is what is answer? 110. 1 2 by 5. 1 2 by 5 will make it is a mixed fraction basically. 1 2 by 5. Convert into normal fraction, it is become what is the value? 7 by 5 into 40% is equal to percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 42 is how much? 80. 5 to 18 it is a 16 times 16 7s are 112. Option C. Root of 12.25 it is a 3.5. Root of 12.96, it is a 36. 3.6. 3.5 plus 3.6, it is equal to 7.1. 2 by 5 to the power of 2. That means 2 square value 4. 5 square value 25 into 5 by 8 equal to x minus 1. 5 to 25 5 times, 4 ones are 4, how many times? 2s are. That means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 plus 1 equal to x. It belongs to what is the value? 11 by 10, option B. 40 percentage of x percentage of 70 equal to 560. 70, 560, how many times? 8 times. Okay. 8 to 40, how many times? 5 times. Percentage means how many zeros will be generated? 1000 or 10,000? 10,000. X by 5 into 10,000 equal to 1. What is answer? 2000. Then option A. Next, there is a quadratic equation, x square minus 11x plus 28 equals 0. What is the factor? 4. 4 7 are 28, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Next, second equation factors are 9, 9. Of course, comparing to 4, 7, 9, 9 is bigger, then answer is what is answer? Option B. 3 can be multiplying to 16, it is a value is 48. 48 factors are how much? 8, 6. What are the factors? 8, 6 divided by 3. These are the final factors. Next, 5 can be multiplying to 12, it is a value 60. 60 factors are 10, 6 and divided by 5. Okay. Now comparing the results, 8 by 3 is bigger or 10 by 5 is bigger? 8 by 3 is bigger or 10 by 5 is bigger? 8 by 3 is bigger. 8 by 3 is bigger or 6 by 5 is bigger? 8 by 3 is bigger. 6 by 3 is bigger or 10 by 5 is bigger? 6 by 3, na? Yes. So both are equal. Good. It is a 2, it is a 2. Next, 6 by 3 is bigger or 6 by 5 is bigger? 6 by 3. Then answer is x greater than or equal to y, option D. 2 can be multiplying to 42, it is a 84. 84 factors are 12 sevens are. 12 sevens are 84, 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. And both are negative factors and divide by 2. And second equation, 4 can be multiplying to 30, it is a 120. 120 factors are 40, 3. 43 is a 120, 40 plus 3 equal to 43. Divide by 4. And both are negative factors. Now compare it. 12 by 2 equal to minus 6, minus 7 by 2 equal to minus 3.5. And 40 by 2 equal to minus 10 and minus 3 by 4 equal to 0.75. Compare it. Minus 6 to minus 0.75, it is a value is bigger. Negative value, smaller value is bigger. Minus 6 to minus 10, minus 6 is bigger. 1 less than, 1 greater than means relation is cannot be established. This is x square 2x 195. 195 factors are 13, 15. And here is minus 15 plus 13. These are the final factors. 225 is there. 225 purpose factors are minus 15, minus 15. Compare the result. Plus 13 to minus 15, plus 13 is bigger. Minus 15, both are equal. Then answer is what is answer? X greater than or equal to y. X greater than or equal to means option C is right. Next. Both the constant value is negative, then answer is what is answer? Cannot be determined. Yeah. P, Q, R, S, T, we'll write a table. This is for number of in thousands in monthly subscription. Monthly subscription and next one is yearly subscription. Tell me the P measurements. P measurements is how much? What is the P measurements? 12,000, na? Yeah, 12,000. It is for green monthly. And yearly is how much? 17,000. And next Q purpose, it is a 14,000. Next 10,000. Next R, 15,000, 16,000. Next S, 8,000, 18,000. And T, 20,000. Next 11,000. Okay, these are all of 1,000. Just remember it. Okay. So now we'll go for the questions. Look at the first one. Find the ratio of number of monthly subscriptions of P and S together to monthly P and S. P and S means it is a 12 plus 8 ratio to R. R value is 15. Both the numbers are cancelled with 5 table. 5 4s are, 5 3s are. Ratio is what is the ratio? 4:3. Directly we can add it and cancel the numbers. The number of yearly subscription of Q and S together. Yearly subscription of Q and S value is 10 plus 18 is 28. Is what percentage of that of monthly subscription of R and T together? R value is 15 and T value is 20. It is value is 35 and need percentage multiply with 100. So 5, 7 5s are and 7 4s are. 4 by 5 equal to how much percentage? 80% option B. What is the total monthly yearly number of subscription of OTT platform which is second highest? Second highest means, look at this is the first highest 31 and second highest is what? 29. 29 is the second highest. It is 24 and it is 31 and it is what? 26. Then what is the second highest here? P, 21. That is the 29. Option C. Find the average number of yearly subscription of P and that of T. Yearly subscription per P. P value is 17 plus T. T value is how much? 11 by 2. 28 by 2 equal to 14. Then option D. Find the difference between total number of subscription of Q. Q total subscription is 24. S total subscription is 26. Difference is 2000. 2000 means option A. Next we have a number series. The data is completed. 8 become a 4 means it is a multiplication of 0.5. 4 become a 4 multiplication of 1. 4 become a 8 it is a multiplication of 2. 8 become a 32 multiplication of 4. 32 become multiply with what is the number? 8. 32 8 is equal to what is the answer? 256. Option A is right. This is the logic. Make the number is double. Next. 6 to 12 2 times, 12 to 36 3 times, 36 to 144 4 times and 144 5 it is equal to 720. Option A. It is a addition. 6 to 65 5 added, 7 to 50 minus 20, 50 to 75 plus 25 plus 5 and next to minus 10 and next to plus 15. Okay, this is a logic to implement. 65 minus 10 equal to the question mark equal what is answer? 55. The 55 added to 15, the result is 70. Then question mark answer is 55, option D. 13, 17, take the difference. It is the difference is 4, here the difference is 9, here the difference is how much? 16, here the difference is 25, here the difference is 36. And 67 plus 36 answer is 103, option C. Squares, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Next, 60 to 70, 10 added. 70 to 20, 20 added, 20 to 120, 30 added, next should be 40 and next should be 50. Then 120 plus 40 equal to 160, option E. Here 37.5, it is a simplification. 37.5% is equal to 3 by 8, 3 by 8 of 240 plus 11 equal to x minus 4. Root of 121 value 11. 8 to 240, how many times? 30 times. 3 30s are 90, 90 plus 4, 90 plus 11 value is 101. 101 minus 4 equal to what? Is it right? Yeah. So 101 plus it is a value is 105. Option A. Third root of 1331. Answer is 11. Root of 961. 31. 5 square. 25 plus x equal to 420 is divisible by 4. Value is 105. 105. Okay. Now simplify the measurements. 11 plus 31 equal to 42. From 40 to 25 will be removed, the result is how much? 17. The 17 is removing from 105. 15 is removed 90 and extra 2 will be removed, the result is 88. Option C. Next, 225 by x plus 2 minus 80%. 80% you can write 4 by 5 of 2 by 5 of 300 equals to 4. 5 5s are 25. 25 to 100 how many times? 4 times. 4 into 3, 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 4s are value is how much? 96. This total simplification value is 96. This 96 coming to the other side plus 96. Plus 96 plus 4 equal to what is the value? 100. 225 by x plus 2. Okay. Then it is x plus 2 equal to 2.25. X plus 2 equal to 2.25. Then x equal to what is answer? 0.25. 0.25 you can write what is the value? 1 by 4. Option E. 62.5%. 62.5% equals to how much? 5 by 8. Good. 5 by 8 of 3 by 8 of 1600. 8 8 is 64. 16 to 64 how many times? 4 times. 4 to 100 how many times? 25 times. Okay. 5 25 is 125. 125 into 3. 125 into 3 answer is what? 375. Option D. 1136 is divisible by 142 and removed by 2. 142 136 8 times. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Then option D.